Hi there, it's Christoph from the cabinet woodworking shop. Yes, I'd just like to give you an introduction into the new workshop. Well, now it has been a year where I have been in this workshop. I bought this workshop 1 year ago, more or less. This is the office. Here we have a cabinet with a lot of so this is the storage area, more or less, where we store our tools and materials and fittings and screws, etc. We are currently still in the process of restructuring it. This whole area in the middle and the rest, this is the room for using hand tools and hand machines. Yeah, it's also not finished yet. Oh yeah, a quick look outside the window. As you can see, we are on the first floor of these circa 1908 industrial building, I suppose, or 1912, something like that. A nice neighborhood. There are around 70 workshops from with artists. They are doing a lot of different kinds of arts: painting, sculptures, dancing, video arts, etc. So this is a very diverse industrial ensemble. Yeah, now we are coming into the heavy machinery area. We have a classical router machine. This is a combination thickness planer and planer. You do not have to reassemble the dust extraction when you change the operation modes. This is pretty good. The operation of the table is pneumatically assisted. So you push two buttons with two hands and then you close the table and open it. Table saw, well, old, it's pretty new. It's from 2008, I suppose. This is our new dust extraction machine. It's driven by two independent 5.5 kilowatt motors. They do not operate always on full tilt, and so it gradually increases or decreases the power of the two motors, and pretty good machine. Bigger machines need to be placed outside, which we cannot do because we are on the first floor. Here behind all that is our new vacuum press. It's a press to do veneer and three-dimensional pieces. Cool machine, uses a lot less energy than a classical veneer press, which is usually heated. This thing just works with a vacuum, so it needs just 1/10 of the energy. This is our new compressed air compressor with a big separate tank for storing the compressed air, 270 liters, and a dryer machine. It dries the air so that the air is super dry and does not contain any moisture. Yeah, speaking of machines, this is, I love this piece, is our new 5-axis Portal CNC machine. Yeah, actually I spent pretty good money on these tools. All beside 3 are diamond coated, so they're very, very expensive. It's the first time I haven't used my own CNC machine since we got it a month ago, because I had no time. I had no time. Well, this is the Striebeck sheet material saw. This is the edge bonding machine. Not a very good machine. It's not like the Ott Tornado, which I showed you in another video. So this is was a short walk through the workshop. So stay tuned.